Neo. Scanning a Neanderthal. They inhabited the planet not long ago and lived in Europe much before Homo sapiens arrived from Africa, a species they share a common ancestor with. They disappeared a short time in prehistoric terms, 28,000 years ago, and there are many theories on the causes of their extinction. They are the Neanderthals. Their discovery in the mid-19th century represented the beginning of paleoanthropology, the study of human evolution and its fossil ancestors. Since then, archaeologists and anthropologists have continued to follow the traces of this species throughout Europe. They want to understand who they were, how they lived, which genes are common to humans, and why they became extinct. Research in Spain is yielding very valuable results in the quest to learn more about Neanderthals. At Cova Foradada in Valencia, an almost fully complete Neanderthal skeleton was discovered during a research directed by the Archaeological Studies section of the Valencian Provincial Council. It is the first anatomically connected specimen found of the species. Until now, only loose bones had been discovered. Anthropologist Eulàlia Subirà from Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona will be directing the study of the skeleton, alongside other researchers from UAB and from IPES, the Catalan Institute of Human Paleoecology and Social Evolution. Before commencing the anthropological study and restoring the fossils, researchers carried out scans of the skeleton.
The human remains are immersed in a block. Then we think that the best possibility to analyze this block is use computerized tomography to analyze the different kinds of sediment and the quantity of the remains are in it.
The scanning was carried out at Hospital General de Catalunya in Sant Cugat, with the collaboration of the center's technical and medical team. Some of the remains, however, are visible from the surface of the stone block, as indicated by IPES researcher Carlos Lorenzo. Here is the cranial region, part of which was separated from the trunk when it was extracted from the cave, as well as several teeth and the right eye socket. A complete Neanderthal cranium would look like this. The vertebrae can also be seen. The sacral bone is conserved in another stone block. The scanning of the remains yielded very positive results. Researchers were able to study the full spinal column, teeth, and the position of the cervical vertebrae. Identifying the stones within the block with the CT scan will also serve later to remove the fossil without the risk of damaging it. After the scanning was finished, the Neanderthal of Cova Foradada was transferred to IPES laboratories in Tarragona, where researchers will be gathering data on its gender, age, diet, diseases, possible causes of death, and on its genes. The information will contribute greatly to the scientific knowledge already existent on Neanderthals, a knowledge which, with each new discovery, brings them closer to us.